Okay, good evening, children. I am B. Ravinder Reddy. I am your chemistry mentor. So, we are at what gaseous state. In that gaseous state, we completed up to 8 lectures. Last lecture is Gay-Lussac's law, concept related to Gay-Lussac's law. Now, let me discuss problems which are present in that what Gay-Lussac's law. Okay, right. Okay, children. So, lecture what this is 20th problem. Let me see. A cylinder. These problems are related to what Gay-Lussac law. So, a cylinder containing cooking gas can withstand a pressure gauge of the cylinder indicates 12 atmospheres at 27 degrees centigrade. 27 degrees centigrade. Here, what pressure gauge withstand temperature must be given. So, here pressure withstand pressure is what 15 atmospheres. This is what 15 atmospheres. So, degree centigrade, due to sudden fire in the house, the temperature starts rising. At what temperature it will, cylinder explodes. So, the gas is present at what 12 atmospheres. So, that's why you can take what P1 is equal to 12. Then P2 withstand temperature is how much? 15 atmospheres. Temperature T1 is equal to what? 27 degrees centigrade. So, in order to convert into capital T1, we should add what? 273, such that you will get as what? 300. Next one, so what the temperature, what exploding temperature is asked. So T2 is equal to how much? Now let me find out what T2 value. We have what relation P and T at constant volume is what? P is proportional to T. So that's why P1 by P2 is equal to what we can write? T1 by T2 we can write. So P1 is how much? 12 atmospheres. P2 is how much? 15 atmospheres. T1 is what? 300 degrees centigrade. T2 we should find out. So T2 will comes to this side. T2 is equal to 15 will goes to 300 into 15 divided by 12 will comes downside. So 3 4 ja, 3 5 ja, next 4 7 ja 28 plus 20, 4 5 ja 20. So T2 is equal to what? 75 into 5. T2 is equal to what? 75 into 5. So you will get what? 375 degree Kelvin. 375 degree Kelvin. So this is the what in degree Kelvins. So if the options are given in degree centigrade, how you will find out? Capital T is equal to small t plus 273. Capital T is what? 375 is equal to small t plus 273. Now 273 sent to this side, 375 minus 273 is equal to what? Small t. So small t is how much? You will get as what? 102 degrees centigrade. 102 degrees centigrade. So this is the what? First problem. Now let me see the what second problem. 21. So total what? Cumulative number is 21. So in this Gay-Lussac's law, second problem. An iron tank contains helium at a pressure of 2 atmospheres at 25 degrees centigrade. Tank can withstand a maximum pressure of 10 atmospheres. Maximum pressure. So that's why you should take this one as P2. The building in which the tank has been placed catches fire. Predict whether the tank will blow up first or melt. Blow what up first or melt. So that means what? He is asked as what? At this what conditions that the what cylinder will be blasted or what cylinder will be what? Melted. So that means what? We should find out what T2 value. If the T2 value is what? Less than this one, which will be what? Blasted. If the what T2 value we got what? More than this one, that will be what? Melted. So now let me calculate. So P1 is equal to how much? P1 is equal to 2 atmospheres. So T1 is equal to what? 25 degrees centigrade is given. So it should be converted into what? Degree Kelvin. We should add 273. Then P2 withstand temperature is 10 atmospheres. So T2 is what? We should find out. What we have relation? P is proportional to T. P is what? Proportional to T we have. So in this P is proportional to T. So P1 by P2 is equal to what we can write? T1 by T2 we can write. P1 is how much? 2 atmospheres. P2 is what? 10. Capital T1 is 25 plus 273, 298 divided by what? Small t2. Now T2 sent to this side. T2 is equal to 298 into 10 divided by 2. 2 5 are 10. So T2 is equal to how much? You will get here. So you got as temperature is what? 1490. 1490. So this 1490 is what? Less than this one. Less than this one. So that's why that will be what? blasted. That will be what? Blasted. So that's why, so below the reaching of melting point, it will be what? Blasted. Now next problem, let me see. Here what is given? A steel tank contains at a pressure of 15 bar. Steel tank got a gas is present at 50 bar at 20 degrees centigrade. The tank is provided a safety valve which can withstand a pressure of 30 bar. Calculate the temperature. Calculate the temperature that can be safely heated. So here what P1 is equal to what? Tank pressure is 15 bars. So what this is the what temperature T1 is equal to 20 degrees centigrade is given. So that's why we should must convert into what degree Kelvin? 273. P2 is equal to what? 30 bar is given. Then T2 is how much? So how we will get principle P is proportional to T. So P1 by P2 is equal to what we can write? T1 by T2 we can write. P1 is what? 15 atmospheres. P2 is what? 30 atmospheres. This is what? 293 divided by what? T2. 15 2 ja 30. T2 will comes to this side. 2 will goes to this side. 2 into 293. So 6 2 9 ja 18. 2 2 ja 4 plus 1 5. 586 degree Kelvin. 586 degree Kelvin. If you want to get in what degree, what centigrade, what you will do? Degree centigrade is equal to what? 586 minus 273. So 6 minus 3, 3, 8 minus 7, 1, 5 minus 2, 3. So 313 degrees centigrade. How much the temperature? 313 degrees centigrade. A balloon blown up at 5 centigrade has a volume of 80 ml. At this stage, the balloon is distended to 7 by 8 of its maximum stretching capacity. That means what? 7 by 8 parts is present. 80 ml is equal to 7 by 8 part. So that means what? 7 by 8 parts is equal to what? 80 ml. So x is equal to, you will get as what? 8 into 80. 80 into 8 divided by 7. That is the what? The volume of what? That balloon. Total volume of the balloon. That means to after what? Complete stretching, the balloon volume is this much. If the balloon burst, if it is taken into a room having 30 degrees centigrade. So if a question is what? 30 degrees centigrade. If it is what reaches to 30 degrees centigrade, then the balloon will be busted or not. Let me calculate for this one. So let you take what for this problem. So V1 is equal to how much? 80 ml. V2 is what? Final volume this much. 80 into 8 divided by 7. Then this is the what? Temperature. So no, V2 is equal to, this is V2. So T1 is equal to what? 5 plus what? 273. T2 is equal to what? T2 is equal to what? 30 degrees centigrade. 30 plus 273. Now we should find out what? V2 value. V2 value. If the V2 value exceeds this much of volume, then with what? That balloon will be burst. So in our actual problem, if this one is 480 is there, so that's why you take as 480. You take as 480. Then V2 is equal to 480 into 8 divided by 7. You will get as what? V2 value is, if you want to divide this one, I divided in calculator. So I got what? 548.6 milliliters I got. So if I solve the what? If I find out V2 volume V2, if it is what exceeds this one, it will be busted. If it is less than this one, balloon will not be busted. So we have what? V is proportional to T. So V1 by V2 is equal to what? We have T1 by T2. So V1 is how much? 480 ml divided by V2 is what? We should find out. Then T1 is what? How much? 278 divided by T2 is how much? 30. 303. So that's why x is equal to what? X will goes to this side. 308. 480 into 303 divided by what? 278. So x is equal to what? This one, 480 into 303 divided by 278. What I am doing in calculator beside. So that's why I got what? 523.16 ml. If I divide 523.16 ml, this is what? This volume is what? This maximum capacity of the balloon volume is 548, but the volume extended to what? 523.16 ml. So that's why the balloon will not busted. Balloon what? The balloon is not busted. Calculated what temperature balloon will burst. So now in order to solve this one, temperature is asked. Temperature asked kabatti you calculate what? Temperature. This T2 you should find out. So V1 by V2 is equal to what? T1 by T2. V1 is how much? 480 ml. V2 is how much? This one 548 548.6 ml. T1 is how much? 278. T2 you should find out. So T2 is equal to, this will what, this will goes to here, 278 into 548.6 divided by this one comes to here 480. So T2 is equal to how much we will get if you divide this one. So I am doing in calculator. So I got what, 317.7 degree Kelvin. At what temperature it will busted? 317.7 degree Kelvin. If you want to get what in degree centigrade, what you will do? You subtract 273. So next one, this problem, 20 ml of hydrogen is measured at 15 watt centigrade, then heated to 35 degrees centigrade. What is the new volume at the same temperature? So V1 is equal to what? 20 ml. Then T1 is equal to what? 15 degrees centigrade. 15 plus 273, 35 degrees centigrade. V2 is asked. T2 is equal to what? 35 plus 273. So how much we will get? So V is proportional to T, we know. So V1 by V2 is equal to what? T1 by T2. V1 is how much? V1 is what? 20 ml. V2 is what we should find out, X you can take. Then T1 is how much? 15 plus 273. So 288 divided by this one, 35 plus 273, 8. 3 plus 7, 10. So 308. So X will goes to this side, 308 will comes to this side. 20 into 308 divided by what? 288. So we will get as what? So here we will get as what? 21.38. 21.38. What is this one? It is milliliters or liters? Here it is in milliliters, so that's why this will also in milliliters. So this is the what about the 24th problem. Now let me take what? 25th problem. At what temperature in degree centigrade will the volume of a gas at 0 degree centigrade is double, pressure remaining constant? So at what temperature? So if T1 is equal to what? This one, 0 plus 273. T2 is what? We should find out. V1 is equal to what? V. V2 is equal to what? Doubled. So 2V. So what we have? V is proportional to T, we have. V is proportional to T. So that's why V1 by V2 is equal to T1 by T2. V1 is how much? V. V2 is how much? 2V. Is equal to T1 is how much? 273. T2 is how much? We should find out X. V get cancelled. X will comes to this side. 2 will goes to this side. 273 into 2 is equal to what? 546 degree Kelvin. 546 degree Kelvin. If you want to get in degree centigrade, what you will do? 546 minus 273. So you will get as what? 273 degree centigrade. 273 degree centigrade or 546 degree Kelvin. So that means what? The volume of that gas will be doubled. So next problem is what is this next problem? 26th problem. A 10 liter container is filled. 10 liter container is filled with a gas to a pressure of 2 atmosphere at 0 degree centigrade. At what temperature will the pressure inside the container will be 2.5? So volume is what? 10 liters. Volume is what? 10 liters. Pressure is what? P1 is equal to 2 atmospheres. P2 is how much? P2 is equal to 2.5 atmospheres. T1 is equal to what? 0 plus 273. T2 is what? We should find out. Okay now. So at what temperature? So what? P is proportional to T. This volume is constant. So P1 by P2 is equal to T1 by T2. P1 is how much? 2 atmospheres. P2 is how much? 2.5. T1 is how much? 273. T2 is how much? X. So X is equal to 273 into 2.5 divided by 2. So how much we will get? 273 into 2.5 divided by 2 is equal to 341 we will get. 341 degree Kelvin. 341 degree Kelvin. If you want to get in what degree centigrade, you want to subtract 273. Okay children, these are the what problems which are related to Gay-Lussac's law, and you solve the what other problems which are present in different materials and post to me. I will what give you our suggestions in order to solve the problems if you got any doubts. Okay, right. Good night children.